Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone 12, 13 and 14 series users are reporting that their iPhone is stuck on pink or purple screen. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 2. Clear unwanted steps. If your iPhone storage is full, this kind of issue will occur. Make sure that you have free space on your iPhone. To check this, go to Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Here you can see how much space used and how much available. If it's full, delete duplicate and recently deleted photos, unsent apps and etc. Solution 3. Checking for software update. To update, open Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. If any update available, download and install it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.